In our project, we have used a set of users and their order history to create a smart basket. It recommends products to every user based on their purchase history and order history of users of similar taste. Our project has mainly used two types of recommendation system models, content based filtering and collaborative filtering. To construct the model, we have used the Instacart Market Basket Analysis dataset from Kaggle. It has 5 different data files. Aisles contains unique aisle numbers and descriptions. Departments contain unique department numbers. Orders contains unique order ID and user ID. Products contain unique product IDs and order product contains order IDs, product IDs, add to cart order and reorder indicator.
To construct our model, we have used several packages like NumPy, Pandas, Pickle, Surprise, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Sklearn, and Flask. The major steps in our project development were performing data cleaning, in which we merged tables together and did exploratory data analysis, analyzed customer behavior, generated insights, and built data visualizations, defined a metric for model evaluation, created a shopping cart recommender system to recommend items to customer based on their purchase history, and finally created a Flask app containing functions of our model to extract recommendations and previous order history from Pickle folder according to the username entered in the home.html page. The data is then sent to the outprediction.html page for display. In our recommendation model, using singular value decomposition, we developed a model based recommendation system that generates prediction about a user's rating of a previously ordered item. Rather than taking ratings directly from the user, like in a movie recommendation system, we use the frequency of purchase of an item as an implicit rating. We chose to use the number of times a user has purchased an item as a stand in for an actual rating. On a scale of 1 to 5, the rating was given. To add variety to recommended products and successfully recommend products to even users who have relatively less order history, we designed another function to first find out the customer that have recorded before and the items that have been reordered before. Then calculate the cosine similarity between all those users and products, and then generate a list of recommendations.
So this is our homepage, and as you can see, we can enter any user ID between 1 and 3100. So for example, if I type 3001 and submit, it will display order history of the user and our recommendations on either side. Some of the products are the same as the user might have ordered it a lot, while some are completely new based on what the similar users order. Our model also works for users who have comparatively less order history. For example, in case of user number 50, they have ordered whipping light cream original. So based on that, we and collaborative filtering, we are recommending different types of whipping cream as well, which might be popular among other users. Another example can be user number 45. They have only ordered 2 items, but even then we are able to give them plenty of recommendations.